running out of time. Every day goes by so fast.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more future content. Today I am in my living room deep cleaning. I am throwing my blankets and throw pillows in the wash first. My dogs get up on the couch, so I know that they're probably stinking. Sometimes I feel like I get nose blind to things and I'm worried that other people can smell things that I can't. So I'm going to go ahead and wash those first. That way I can get it out of the way and deep clean the rest of my living room. So the pillows that won't go in the wash, I'm going to go ahead and spray them with the Febreze fabric spray in the shimmer scent. So about once a month, I like to push my couches and my rugs around and vacuum underneath them, just because you never know what's lurking underneath there, and I like to get that cleaned up. Do y'all see my audience watching me? My little dog on the chair over there is Noah, and my big black dog, her name is Kira, and they're always watching me clean, laying around. Kira's always like a wall. She likes to be everywhere I am, and bless her heart, she's just like always in the way when I'm vacuuming. She is so sweet. But I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up the baking soda that I sprinkled up on the carpet. I sprinkled that just to help absorb any odors that may have been in the rug, and I hope that helps, especially since, you know, we do have dogs. So when I pulled back my coffee table, I noticed there was a orange spot of Play-Doh underneath there, probably from Christmas sometime. But anyways, I went ahead and put some warm water in a bowl and some of my Bissell carpet shampooer solution. Mine had broken a while back, so I wasn't able to use it, but I used a scrub brush and scrubbed it, and it came right up.
We'll come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet.
So while I was vacuuming behind the recliner, I thought, hey, those air vents probably need to be cleaned, and what do you know, they are so dirty. Just look at that. Yeah, they need to be cleaned. So I took them in the bathroom and sprayed them down with my Mrs. Meyer's Peony Scent Multi-Surface Spray, and then I washed them off. At first I was just kind of wiping them with my hand, but I don't know, that didn't really work, so I took a microfiber cloth and rubbed it a little bit with that, and it came clean. It cleaned right up.
I used to let it in, all the things you said.
Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of advice, just my opinion. Do not buy one of these O-Cedar mops. They will break. This is the third one of these I have bought, and it is broken every time. You'll see here, it came right off, and it breaks in the same spot every time. I'm definitely not going to buy one of these again, so if you have a recommendation for any mop like that, let me know in the comments below.
Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
So I was pretty bummed that I didn't get to mop in there. I was really looking forward to it, but I went ahead and just vacuumed up really good anyways. And then I went behind and started doing the baseboards. I figured if I can't get the floors real good and clean, the least I can do is go in and clean the baseboards.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, oh, oh. No, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move, make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove, nothing to prove. I can
So that is it for this video, you guys. The blankets are all clean and back on the couch. I did want to show you my air purifier. I am running it to help keep the dust down. If you're interested, I will leave a link in the comments. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.